Mini Cooper S. Yeah, very nice acceleration, and for only 200 HP and a front wheel drive, the 0 to 100 is very good, I would say. Wow, that's pretty fast for a front wheel drive. You have to consider. But of course, a lot of wheel spin at the launch. Yeah, also the go-kart mode really makes fun. Then the experiences, so you can activate it, and you hear Yahoo! Yeah, it really makes fun. It's not exactly like a go-kart, of course, but it's now more direct, and it really makes fun. And you see the power and the torque and the G-force. It shows you the pressure of the turbo, the boost. So that's really nice. Or you can have this speedo. Now it also shows you the RPMs, the revs. So have fun and drive safe.